To modify your sharing access so that anyone with the link can view it, simply come to your Google Sheets and in the right-hand corner, click Share. This dialog box will open up. Once it opens up, towards the bottom, you'll see an area that says Get Link. And you'll see a hyperlink that says Change Link to something else. So this one says to EBR Schools. If I click Change Link to EBR Schools, anyone with my link can now view it that has an EBR Schools account. So if you want this to be kind of protected for where only people with EBR accounts can view it, you can leave it here. You can also change it to where with anyone with an EBR account can comment or edit, but maybe you want this to be more public facing. You can also change this to anyone with the link. So that means they can have a Yahoo, they can have a Gmail, does not matter. Whatever kind of access they have, they'll have access to either view it, and you can also give them access to comment or edit. So if anyone ever says, hey, I got your email, but I can't access your document, come here and modify your sharing access to either anyone with the link or East Baton Rouge Parish Schools.